What's up, YouTube? The Car Boys back here with another legendary video. Today I got a video for you guys. It goes a little bit like this. Should you buy a SRT8 SUPERBEE charger 13 years later? Is it still worth it? Stick here to find out.
It's worthy, Brandon Steels, don't get hurt, me been followed. And that nigga pussy knew a nigga from New York. And he was a sissy, bitch, I'm from the downside.
So, should you buy a SRT8 13 years later? Is it still worth it? To be honest, I'm gonna give you a short answer right now. I believe so. I think the 6.1 is an excellent platform to begin off. Like, if you want to start, like, if you're looking forward to like start off in the V8 world, I feel like the 6.1 is the perfect way to go Hemi form. I feel like that because current years 2015 and up scat packs, because I have a 08 SUPERBEE, which is the first scat pack, like which is the first, yeah, it is the first scat pack ever produced. But the 2015 and up scat packs, hey, I'm gonna let you know, like right here, right now, I'm doing them bad. And then if I'm doing them like that in a 6.1, they have a 6.4. I have 3 whole liters less than them, right? 3 whole liters less. I have 3 gears less than them. They have an 8-speed. I have a 5-speed transmission. I haven't raced one. I'm gonna cut this right here before everybody get in the comments and go crazy. I have not raced one to top end power yet, but from digs and rolls, they're not touching me, bro. I'm sorry. I don't care how you feel about it. I don't care about none of that. I'm letting you know how it is straight off for me, how my races is. I'll throw some clips in this video to let you guys know. Hold on! I'm a hump! 3 humps! But yeah, and especially if you get an SRT8 300, you can get a Chrysler 300 SRT8, you can get a SUPERBEE SRT8, or you can just get the regular Chargers SRT8. Either one. If you get it the way I got it too, oh man, you're getting the best bang for your buck. Like, I'm talking about, bro, you cannot like find no better deal. Like, I paid under $5 grand for this car. I bought this car off of Copart, right? I paid under $5 grand for this car. Listen to me now, $5 grand. You got to think about that. That's $5 grand for a 6.1 scat pack. I'm beating current year scat packs. Think about that now. You can spend $5 grand and have a 425 horsepower charger. 425 horsepower stock. My car, I guess it's still stock. It just has a complete straight pipe and it has a cold air intake. That's about it. But yeah, my car is completely stock. It's keeping it, like, it's there. It's leaving. It's, if anything, it's keeping up with scat, but it's also leaving them too. So you feel me? Like, do y'all get where I'm coming from with this? Like, bro, it's no need to go buy a 2015 and up scat pack. It's no need for that. Like, it's literally no need for that, unless you want the wide body. Like, that's the only reason you would go buy one of them. Like, I wouldn't see why you would. You could put all that money that you're gonna spend on the 2015 and up scat pack and put it into this one and have a baby hellcat. You feel what I'm saying? Like, the supercharger for this car is only $7,500. Think about that now. All you have to do is supercharge this car and you'll have a hellcat. Literally, you could put the hellcat badges on the side of your car because you'll be at that power of a hellcat. Nobody can't tell you you're not a hellcat if you're making hellcat power with a supercharger on your Hemi. Like, come on now. It may not be a Mopar supercharger, but it's still supercharging. It's still whining. And it's still gonna make that power. So it's like, either way you go, you're still winning. You're not paying $40,000, $50,000, $60,000 for a hellcat. You're gonna pay $5,000 at Copart for the car. That's with fees and everything. $5,000 for the car. Then go pay $7,500 for the supercharger, and you'll be in it like $12,500 for a Hellcat, man. Listen to me now. Listen to me now. I'm really smart. Like, listen to me. Listen to me. I bought this car for $5,000. Y'all might be putting two and two together. Probably what I'm gonna do with my car. Y'all probably putting two and two together. But listen to me now. I don't gotta buy a Hellcat. You feel me? I don't have to buy that. You feel me? That's just like, people just want that because everybody else got it. I don't need that. I got a Hellcat right here. It just need a supercharger. That's it. You feel me? Once I spend that $7,500, what my car gonna be? A Hellcat. I didn't have to spend $50,000. Niggas gonna be hating. Like, people gonna be hating on me because I cheated the system. I'm pretty sure there's other people out there that did the same thing. Probably not got their car, probably not got a SRT8 from Copart and about to put a supercharger on it. Not like that. They ain't that smart like me. You feel me? I'm about to go crazy with it. I'm about to put my I'm about to sell some more cars. What I do best, sell some more cars, save my money up and get me a supercharger for this car. It's like, why would you go pay $50,000 for a wide body scat pack when you can have one for $5,000 right here, right here? Then save your money, $7,500. You can have a Hellcat. Man, I'm about to go in the gas station real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, man, we back in the car with it. Now back to what I was saying. Like, yo, you can spend $7,500. Well, first you spend $5,000. I won the car bid for like $4,200, something like that. After the fees and everything came out to like $5,000 and something. All right, you spend $7,500 more. You got a Hellcat without making payments. I don't have a car payment. All I pay is insurance, my boy. My car is paid off. Think about that. You gonna have a paid off car. Only thing you paying for is insurance and your taxes every year. Well, where I'm from, that's what you do. Worry about taxes and damn your insurance. That's all you gotta worry about, man. Like, people gotta be more smarter about it. Try to beat the system. Like, I try to find ways to beat the system. Like, just listen to. I'm gonna roll the window down, man. Y'all just listen to this thing, man. Scat. Like, it's a scat. It's a scat, bro. Like, man, like, if y'all don't listen to what I'm saying right now and take this and run with it, man, I don't know what, man. I'm putting y'all on game, bro. I'm literally putting y'all on game right now. Like, y'all can literally beat the system, be driving around in big boy V8s, like big boy V8, not the small 5.7. You know, that's what everybody used to start off at. Too many people, that's another thing I meant to speak on. Too many people do not, like, a lot of people do not know about the 6.1. Like, people don't even know there's a 6.1 that it exists. I went to Mustang Week in Myrtle Beach, right? And I was leaving on that Sunday. Somebody asked me, is that a 6.4? Is that a scat? I said, it's not a 6.4, it's a 6.1, but yeah, it's the first scat that was ever made. He was like, there's no way. I never even knew it. Like, he was an old head too. He was like, I never knew they made a scat in an 08. Like, bro, like, when people actually realize it's a B on that fender, and like, they be thinking it's a 5.7 with a B, like I'm trying to play something. Like, no, this is a real scat pack, the first one ever made. Like, hey man, if you don't take what you can go pay, like, these, I know normally these cars, SRT8, SUPERBEEs and shit like that, I know the SUPERBEEs are like a little bit more expensive than the regular SRT8s, but the SUPERBEEs sell for like $18K right now. You gotta think about it. I paid $5 grand for this car. They sell for 18, 20K all day long. They sell for that all day long. You gotta think, I just paid 5K. Paid off, title in hand. It may be a salvage title, but that doesn't mean nothing. I fixed my own car, so I know I've been driving this car for how long now? I bought this car in July. It's now November. No problem. The only thing I had wrong that happened to this car was a coolant pipe had messed up. And what I replaced it. It was nothing. Like, man, the maintenance isn't nothing. Like, the only thing bad about it is the gas. The gas, I mean, it's a V8. What you expect? That's the only thing bad about it. The maintenance, I haven't had to do any maintenance except for change oil, brakes, normal stuff, man. Like, stuff you don't have to do on any car. Like, it's like, this car is so worth it. It's the best bang for your buck. If you guys are not listening to me right now, take this and run with it, bro. The SRT8 2006 through 10, I believe. SRT8s, 300s, SRT8s, all that, man. If you don't grab one of these before Mopar start making like SRT stuff, man, get you one of these, man. They're just gonna shoot up in value. My car is sitting at 140,000 miles right now. Like, it just hit it like 2 days ago. Bro, this car is gonna skyrocket in value. Even with the salvage type, this car is gonna skyrocket in value once I supercharge and everything, put all the mods and everything I got planned for it. This car is gonna be worth so much money. I'm just letting it sit. Like, it's gonna be worth so much money, man. This car is definitely worth every penny 13 years later, man. Every single penny, man. Y'all better hop on the 6-1 way, man. If y'all enjoy my video, enjoy a little bit of knowledge I've been spitting to y'all about the 6-1, and if it's worth it 13 years later, please hit that subscribe button. Subscribe. We are almost at 3,000 subscribers. Hit that subscribe button, turn on your boy post notifications to be notified every single time I upload a new video, to pop right up on your phone. It only takes 1 second to hit that subscribe button, man. So go ahead and hit it for your boy. And other than that, man, I'll catch y'all in the next video. The Car Boys is out. Peace.
It's worthy.